board board 动词上车上机上船
Several passengers boarded the train at the last moment.
load load 名词负荷载重动词装载
The maximum load for this elevator is roughly 1,250 kilograms.
convey convey 动词传达运送
All the packages here are first sorted and then conveyed to different departments.
shore shore 名词岸边
My dog was found on the shore by a patrolling police officer.
garage garage 名词车库修车厂
My car is still at a garage waiting to be serviced.
aboard aboard 副词介系词在船上机上车上
The missing Malaysia Airlines Flight 370 had 239 people aboard.
voyage voyage 名词航行航程旅途
The voyage from Brazil to Portugal will take roughly 1.5 months.
cap cap 名词计程车
George was so drunk that he had to catch a cab home last night.
automobile automobile 名词汽车
General Motors is the largest automobile manufacturer in the United States.
park park 动词停放名词公园
The biggest problem of driving in Taipei is that there is no place to park.
limousine limousine 名词礼车豪华轿车
The singer rented a limousine for her 2-month tour.
buckle up buckle up 动词扣上扣紧
Every rider must buckle up before the roller coaster starts.
disembark disembark 动词下车下船下机
Passengers of the cruise are getting ready to disembark the boat.
fuel fuel 名词燃料
The fuel tank of the plane is big enough for it to fly from Taipei all the way to New York.
public transport public transport 名词大众运输
The public transport in Tokyo is complex but convenient.
ferry ferry 名词渡轮
Doris takes the ferry to school every day because she lives on an island.
collide collide 动词撞击碰撞
Two cars collided on the freeway due to speeding.
vehicle vehicle 名词车辆汽车
It's advisable to check closely during a test drive before buying a second-hand vehicle.
Stationary. Stationary. 形容词，静止不动的。
The cars on the freeway are stationary because of the accident ahead.
Bound. Bound. 形容词，开往的，前往的。
Passengers bound for Osaka should get off at the next stop to make a transfer.
Shuttle bus. Shuttle bus. 名词，接驳车。
There is a shuttle bus available between Taipei City Hall Station and the Taipei 101.
Charter. Charter. 名词动词，包租。
Many high-ranking business people fly charter to save time.
Pollution. Pollution. 名词，污染。
The carbon emissions from cars is a source of pollution that damages the earth.
Dock. Dock. 名词，码头。动词，靠岸。
Attention passengers. The ship is going to dock in about 15 minutes.
Steering wheel. Steering wheel. 名词，方向盘。
To ensure safety, hold the steering wheel with both hands when you drive.
Via. 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 介系词，经由，透过。
Liberty Island can be reached via ferry ride from Lower Manhattan.
Cyclist. Cyclist. 名词，单车骑士。
The event is for cyclists of all levels, from beginner to very experienced.
Navigate. Navigate. 动词，航行，导航。
It was much harder to navigate the ship when digital instruments weren't available.
Harbor. Harbor. 名词，港口。
Pearl Harbor was made famous by the bombing during World War II.
Divert. 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 动词，转向，转移。
The flight diverted for no reason before it went missing.
Yo， 听到这个音乐就代表这期影片当中的30个多益必考单字算是复习完毕啦。还记得我们从 Ebbinghaus 的遗忘曲线中所得出来的结论吗？与其一次长时间死命的背很多单字，倒不如运用每天琐碎的时间观看影片，将复习中间间隔的时间缩短，观看次数的频率拉高，才能提高记忆单字的效率哦。那如果觉得影片内容对你有所帮助的话，也请帮我按赞、订阅、留言、分享，让 YouTube 演算法知道这是一支值得推广的影片。好，这期影片到此就算差不多啦。我是 Parker， 这是帕克英文，我们下期影片再见啦，拜。